Hi, I'm Harley McAllister. I'm a product manager here at Amphenol Network Solutions, telling you a little bit about our optical distribution frame called the FiberVault, which has some unique features to it that we wanted to share with you. One of the things about modern data centers is that they can literally have hundreds of thousands of fibers, and keeping track of those can become a real challenge. So one of the things that we've pioneered today is this idea of a tracer cable. So all the cross-connect cables can be used with a tracing fiber, so an added fiber that's used simply for visual identification of your circuits. And that's what I'm going to demonstrate today. In our FiberVault solution, we have space at the front here for these tracer fibers to be presented at the front. That way we can couple light into them and also see the light as it comes out. Across the front of our shelf, we have a number of windows here where that light lights up, and that way you can use a Visual Fault Locator to light up one of these circuits, and it'll transmit that light to the far end, allowing you to identify physically which circuit it is that you're dealing with. So I'm going to show an example of that. I've got my fibers input here. I turn on my VFL and I simply insert that into the port on the near side. As you can see here, what that does is that VFL light travels through your system. This could be bay to bay, room to room, rack to rack, and it lights up this window at the far end. And in that way, it just makes second day moves, adds, and changes, maintenance, test, troubleshooting 100 times easier in these really dense fiber applications. So that's a unique feature to our FiberVault that I wanted to share with you today. If you'd like to learn more, please reach out and contact us. Thanks.